Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check this thing out. It's the summertime and lots of cool aqua water gadgets I've been reviewing. And here's another one. This is called the LESWIM battery powered, propeller powered kickboard for kids around the age 8 and under, because it is a small little kickboard, but it's got kind of cool interchangeable faces for kids. Kind of a new thing, and it kind of a pioneer into this little tech slash water realm for little kids. And we're gonna see what this thing is all about. We're gonna unbox it, take it to the pool here in Hawaii, get some cool shots of my little nephews and nieces using this thing because they're pretty small still. So it's got propulsion, so there is a motor on the bottom of it. Buoyancy, so it is still gonna float and hold the child up and hold itself up in the water. It's got kind of a safety lock mechanism, so it's not easy to turn it on if you want to lock them out. There is a GoPro mount on the bottom of the board, or bottom front of the board, and it's got a replaceable battery, so it's not just a built-in battery that once it runs out you can't put another one, and you can actually put another battery in there if you have an extra one hanging around for more fun for the kids. Anyway, let's get started with this unboxing. So there we go, we got a big styrofoam box here, and that's the manual itself. A couple of pieces of tape there on the front. Flip this thing over, and there it is. Check that out. It's the LESWIM little kickboard. This should be kind of fun. Definitely going to be testing this out in the pool in this review, so don't go anywhere because we're going to take this in the pool in the same review. Anyway, taking it out of its little plastic wrap, there it is. Get that up on screen for you, and flipping it over, this is what this thing's all about. So check it out. On the bottom, it has got this propeller, and kids can't stick their fingers in there. There's a pretty good guard. I mean, of course, if the fingers are very small, they can stick it through, but the motor is way back in there. The propeller's way back in there. It's a little closer to the back. So I guess if a child really tried to stick their finger in there when it was going, they might be able to just barely nick it, but it looks like they did a pretty good job at giving it a nice fence. This is the lockout switch, so that locks it off. And these are the little paddles that we're just gonna push down simultaneously. And there you go, you can actually hear it power on. Here's our little GoPro mount on the front, so you'll be able to just mount any kind of GoPro you want here, and you can have it facing forward, facing back, down, you know, rotate it however you want to do it. Then this handle allows the kids to just kind of carry it. And the thing that's unique about this, if you take a look at the very bottom of the board, there's a little notch, and you can actually easily separate this thing because these faces are replaceable. So as you can see, this is kind of like a Pikachu looking face, little cat animal. But you can replace these for whatever you want. And the way these stay on is there are these little magnets all the way around. So you can see them all the way around the rim. And so they are just basically attaching to the other magnets that are on the device. And the whole unit is powered by this battery. This is a lithium ion battery pack. It's 14.4 volts, and it's a 6,000 mAh capacity. You know what, let me get this box off of the table. So let's make sure we get the charger out. There's the charger. That's really all there is in there. So we got the charger, and we got the instruction manual, and we got the device with its cover. Anyway, we were trying to take out the battery, so we've got these little tabs right here. You push them both in, snaps up, and actually it had a little bit of a plastic blocker there for transportation, but it looks like it actually was powered through this thing. That's supposed to insulate it from powering it on. That's it there, and there's actually a rubber seal here. So when this battery is on, it's making this connection waterproof. So there are 2 notches on the top. You're gonna wanna make sure that's plugged in, pushed in on the top first, and then push the back in till you hear that snap. So that really is the gist of the LESWIM little kickboard. And let's put this cover back on. Super simple. It's as easy as that. It just attaches with those magnets. It doesn't seem like it's gonna come off unless you really pry right here. I mean, it's easy to take off, but it's not gonna come off unless you want it to. So that's cool. Really feels like it's gonna stay on there. That's a cool feature. I mean, kids like different images, so I guess they're gonna have these interchangeable ones available soon. Anyway, let's put the board on the side and just check out the charger real quick before we take it in the pool. Very simple, proprietary charge indicator light there. That is the connection where the battery is going to plug into. Very simple. And then they give you a figure 8 power plug that plugs into the brick, and that goes into your wall socket. Only other thing in the box is the manual. There it is, LESWIM manual. Now this is a company called VXFLY, which is actually a sister company of, I believe, CCROV. They make that yellow ROV, underwater submarine. Very simple. Instructions do go through everything that you need to know. I almost forgot to show that there is a battery level meter there. So let's see how that works. If we pull it in, there we go. So you see those greens come up as I was holding it. It looks like they go off pretty quickly. But that thing is pretty much fully charged. Just gonna put it on the charger anyway, give it a full-on charge, and I will meet you guys at the pool. And let's see how this thing does with some kids. Pull both buttons down.
Here, over your hand. Okay, ready? Push.
There you go. That's what we're looking for. Good job. High five.
Okay, so you gotta press the button. There's 2 buttons.
There you go. There you go. Get on first. First you get on. And then you gotta go. There you go. Wow, you know how to do it good now. You know how to do it really good. Tell me what you think about it.
You undo this, it's like you hold it. And you...
Do you like it?
Yep.
Was it fun?
So like, wait, what's your favorite thing about it?
The face.
The face? You like the face on it? Okay. And does it go fast enough for you? Okay. Go ahead. Okay, come back. There you go. Come on back. Come on back. Woo! Keep going, keep going. All right. Okay, Mike, you ready?
Yeah.
Gonna try this thing out? Okay, let's see what you can do, man. Whoa. That was neat.